All right, let's take a look at 53 divided by 4. So if I'm doing 53 divided by 4, I'm going to start with the tens place, which is where my 5 is sitting. So I'm going to do 5 divided by 4. So if you have 5 tens and you're splitting that with 4 friends, right, how many will each friend get? That's one way to think about it. Another way to think about it is if you have 5 pieces, 5 candies, 5 apples, 5 counters, whatever it is, how many groups of 4 can you make? Well, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I can make one group of 4. And so that means I can put 1 at the top. Okay? Then my next step would be to multiply. 4 times the 1 here. So 4 times 1 gives me 4. Then I subtract. 5 minus 4, how much is left over? I have 110 left over. Check my work. Is 1 smaller than 4? Yes, it is. Now bring down. I'm going to bring down the next digit, which is a 3. And so now that 3 is combined with the 110, so that means I have a total of 13. So now when I divide, I'm going to do 13 divided by 4, right? So we're back up here with my division steps. So 13 divided by 4. If you have 13 pieces of candy and 4 friends at the door, how many can you pass out to each of them? The other way to think about this is if you have 13 pieces of candy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The other way to think about this is how many groups of 4 can you make with 13? Well, let's see. Here's one group of 4. Here's another group of 4. And here's another group of 4, right? So it looks like I can make 3 groups of 4. So that means I'd put 3 at the top, because 13 divided into groups of 4 gives me 3 groups. How many did I just use up? 4 times 3 gives me 12. Then you subtract. We're on the subtract step. So you subtract and you get an answer of 1, which makes sense. There's 1 left over, right? 1 couldn't fit in any of the groups. Check my work. Is 1 smaller than 4? Yes, it is. Bring down the next digit. There's no more digits to bring down, so I'm going to bring up. And so that is my remainder. So it looks like my answer is 13 remainder 1. So there's 13 and there's 1 left over.